Are you still creating the same boring journal covers to publish on Amazon KDP? If yes, it's time to stop and try something new. Unique and eye-catching covers can significantly boost your sales, and the best part, you can start creating them for free. As we all know, uniqueness stands out more than the ordinary. If you're stuck in the race to make plain, simple journal covers, it's time to start fresh and embrace creativity. On this channel, I share my journey of creating unique journal covers for Amazon KDP, and I have designed several journal covers using free tools like Canva, and today I will show you the exact step-by-step process for designing your own unique journal covers. So without spending any time, let's dive in. I believe every journal should tell a story. So I try to make journal covers with stories in them if the reader can read them. I have made each one of these journals available for free in Canva. You can also create one of your best journal covers to lead you to success. But before we begin, you will need the correct size dimensions for your journal cover. Visit Amazon's website to learn book size, numbers of pages, and margins. For this tutorial, I am creating a 6 into 9 inches journal cover with bleed, so the dimension will be 6.125 into 9.25 inches with an inside margin of 0.375 inches. Go to Canva, input the dimensions as a custom design, and create the design. Make sure to set the units to inches. Once your project opens, you need to put margins on each side. If you don't see margins, enable them by going to File, then Setting, then Show Rulers and Guides. Now simply bring the upper margin to the page and try to get the right margin. You can zoom in for the better position. Now bring the other margin from the other side and try to get the right position. Now go to the element and take the square shape element, make it small and resize it with the margin. Now duplicate it and drag it on each side and put the margins on each side. After placing the margins, delete the boxes and the page is ready for design. I want to create a cover featuring a girl sitting under a tree enjoying the peacefulness of nature. Remember, I'm designing everything for free on Canva, so finding the right elements requires some research and efforts. Search for elements in the Elements section in Canva, experimenting with different keywords to find the ones that fit for your theme. After much research, I have gathered some elements and I have also added another page where I'm going to design the journal cover for a better experience. As I have already told you what I want to create, so after some searching, I start designing with a tree and other elements that work well, but I'm always open to improving them. Start positioning the elements on the page. If an element doesn't look good, don't hesitate to remove or replace it. To create depth, I place the girl elements slightly behind the tree. So use the layers feature. Click the 3 dots, then layers, fill layers to adjust the order of elements easily. Now you can easily edit the elements you want. See, I'm not a graphic designer, so I could make mistakes, but I love to experiment with designs and love what I design. You also should start designing, otherwise how will you enhance your designing skills? We all know that designing takes time and experimentation. I made several adjustments, removed elements that didn't fit well, and eventually decided to add a calming background to enhance the peaceful vibe. Search for background options in the Elements section. After trying different choices, I found one that worked perfectly. Well, I used it before, but as I said, you need to keep experimenting. I also add more elements like flowers and butterflies to make the design feel alive. Now, it's time to give the journal a name. This is the name of my journal. Here I found that the cover looks so bright that not give the touch of peacefulness, as it describes the calm and soothing environment. So I tried to change the color of the tree and make some changes, but I also found that the background should be filled with some calm and soothing colors. So I decided to change the background as well. For that, I searched for different backgrounds in the elements section, and after some research, I got a background that I have also used earlier. I'm quite satisfied now. Let's change the title's font. Here, you also need to experiment with fonts for your journal title. I have tried several options before setting on the one that suited my journal. Don't forget to add and choose a matching font for your subheading too. Now, adjust things a little if necessary. I'm also adding more elements like flowers and butterflies to make the design feel alive. After a while, I think I should add a different tree here. So I tried another tree element and adjusted it into the design, and I think this design looks better than the first one. I'm not a graphic designer, so I might make some mistakes, but if you were me, then which design would you like to go for the journal? Comment below. I definitely want to know your thoughts here. After some adjustments, I think the first page of the journal is ready. Now, it's time to create the back or the second page of the journal. For the back cover, I kept it simple. I experimented with colors and added subtle elements like flowers and butterflies to give it a unique yet cohesive look. After finalizing the design, I downloaded both the font and back covers as PNG files. As both the font and back pages of the cover are ready, it's time to create the cover. For that, search on search bar Amazon cover calculator and click on the first link where you have to put all of the journal information to get the exact cover dimension. After filling in all the information, click on calculate dimensions. Now you can see the exact weight and height of your journal. Now download the cover template. This is going to be downloaded in a zip file, so you have to unzip it later. Now go to Canva and create a design. Click on the custom design, set the units into inches and copy and paste the dimensions and create a design. You can see a new project has opened. Now upload the template that you have downloaded from the cover calculator. Remember to upload the PNG file. Click on it and adjust it to align with the whole page. Now upload both the front and back pages of the cover. Simply click on them and reduce the transparency for a better design experience. Now drag and adjust both of the pages and align them on the template. For the middle portion, go to Elements and click on the square shape. Adjust according to the needs. If you find it difficult to adjust in the exact position, click on the three dots, then layers and send it backward. This helps you to get the exact shape you want. Now change the color of it. After some trial, I think the blue color gives a good and satisfying look. Now go to layers, then show layers to delete the cover template. And now it's done. The cover of the journal is ready. Just download it into a PDF file. Go to share, then download, then change the file type to PDF print and done. Your journal is now ready. You can upload it to Amazon, but you have to create the manuscript of it. So that's for the next video. Your journal is ready to be uploaded to Amazon KDP. In my next video, I will show you how to create a manuscript for your journal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or thoughts, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep crafting and keep hustling. Thank you so much, guys.